Welcome to you from Chem Help ASAP. Let's take a closer look at some factors that can affect what drug companies focus upon in their pipelines. At the time of this video, in 2023, major drug companies do seem to emphasize the discovery of new cancer drugs for oncology indications. Is this a coincidence, or are there reasons that may seem to support this observation? With regard to oncology indications, new drugs often qualify for accelerated approval. Oncology drugs can be life-saving or life-extending drugs, and that quality can help spur approval. Cancer drugs often have very targeted populations based on genetic variations in the tumor cell lines. Therefore, cancer indications can be considered rare diseases. So the drug can sometimes get orphan drug status. That designation can carry marketing and development benefits. Some cancer drugs are approved initially for a particular cancer indication and then approved for additional cancer indications at a later time. So while the drug company is seeking additional indications, the company can also generate revenue from sales based on the original indication. Finally, because cancer drugs may be life-saving or life-extending, the patient price can often be high. All these factors can help explain why drug company pipelines seem to be heavy on oncology drugs. Are there indications that represent unmet medical needs that are not often found in drug pipelines? Why, yes. Here are two indications that are often less commonly encountered in drug pipelines: diabetes and depression disorders. In the case of diabetes, the clinical trials tend to be very large in terms of the number of patients, and the trials tend to be rather lengthy. So these are extremely costly clinical trials. There are also existing drugs and treatments for diabetes. Therefore, even if the drug is approved, it will enter a crowded, competitive market that will reduce the ability to generate a reasonable return. Depression is another area that has less research activity. Clinical trials for depression drugs are notorious for having a high placebo effect, so the drug must be particularly efficacious to exceed the performance of the placebo. The potential for patients to experience feelings of self-harm is also well documented in many antidepressants. These factors can make the development of new antidepressants less attractive. Therefore, choosing projects for a drug pipeline goes beyond unmet medical need alone. Some therapeutic areas pose greater challenges in many different forms than other areas. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of reasons why some indications are more favored in drug company pipelines than other indications. Please leave a like, subscribe, or leave a comment or a question. Take care.